All right, guys, welcome back to another video. This time around, I'm super excited. I'm in Orlando in Virus Studios. My friend Ozzy, he allows me to utilize this amazing space. If you haven't had the chance, please come visit, rent the studio. This is amazing. And this is actually a really special video. This is my first time purchasing a brand new limited edition guitar. And I'm not talking about any guitar. This is the Hello Kitty limited edition Stratocaster. Even though it's a Squier, it's one of the most sick guitars in the community, especially those either that do collections of guitars or there are metalheads. This thing has become a boom in the metal community. Here, you're gonna see the Squier Hello Kitty being unboxed. All the videos I've watched so far of unboxing has been of the pink Hello Kitty. Everybody has a pink Hello Kitty. I think should be the first one unboxing the white web exclusive from Fender.com. And I got it at 10% off because it was my first purchase from that website. So I am super excited. I can't wait. Should we open it now? Let's do it. All right. Got my knife right here. Before even we open the box, I wanna taste a little bit of the merchandise they have available. We have the hat. We got the Hello Kitty hat right here. It's like a trucker hat. We have our Hello Kitty hoodie, Fender right here, Hello Kitty and Fender. It's pretty neat. And right here, we have our Hello Kitty fuzz pedal. Fuzzy as a cat. So, that was lame, but it is what it is. All right, we're gonna do two unboxings. We're gonna focus on the guitar first. We're gonna play the guitar throughout some pedals. Then we're gonna unbox the Hello Kitty fuzz pedal, and we're gonna plug it into the board and see what it sounds like. All right, guys, let's open this baby up. Here we go. All right, here it is. Let me get rid of this bag. Oh, I forgot to mention, in my seat, we have the strap. It's a leather strap, beautiful. It feels a little expensive though, it's $100. That hurt. But yeah, it has Hello Kitty face and Fender logo right here. So do what you want with that info. All right. So we have our guitar inside this bag that has some accents in pink. I know somebody that loves pink. We know somebody that loves pink. It has the Squier logo, Squier by Fender. We have a little pink heart in the design of the logo, which is really nice. We also have Hello Kitty embroidered into the bag. It's beautiful. This guitar is about $500, and not many guitars in that price range are gonna have a gift bag. I was watching a video where JHS Pedals was breaking down how much it was to make a pedal versus how much they could earn from a pedal. And this being a collaboration with Sanrio, the creators of Hello Kitty, they do have to pay some royalties to them. And the fact that this guitar is has the Hello Kitty face. From what I've seen, it has some additional things that I'm gonna show you in a minute. Plus, it has a bag. It's just amazing. And it's for many people think, oh, it's a little expensive. It's a Squier. Dude, Squiers are doing a fantastic job lately. So I don't want to hear that this is such an expensive guitar. It is not. It's a fantastic limited edition collector's guitar. So yeah, let's take a look at the gig bag. Let's put it on. Let's see what I look like. All right, see you guys. Ready for a gig? All right, we're gonna see the zippers. Let's start with the front ones. A little pouch right here with a welcome, probably a manual right here. Silicone package, and you have a Allen keys to set up your guitar. We also have a smaller pocket right here that you can put in some additional stuff, maybe music sheets or whatnot. Let's see the inside. This is what we wanted to see from the very beginning. By the way, zippers are smooth. I like it. All right, here we go. Ta-da! We have our guitar, wrap top, and some foil. This is probably to prevent temperature changes in transit. Rubber bands in the very top. All right. Are y'all ready? Here we go. Let's start with the headstock. Woo! Woo! I think it's already looking beautiful. All right, foil is gone. Let me put it over there. There it is. We have our Hello Kitty Strat, the white finish version. This took a week to get home. Actually, it took a little bit more because there was a delay on the shipment. It's not too heavy. It weighs about 7 pounds, roughly around there. It's beautiful. Let's take a look at it piece by piece. Let's start with the headstock. We have the headstock right here, a matching headstock, which is something that it did not happen on the first run. This guitar officially came out about 20 years ago and mid 2000. And I think it was like an affinity version. Many people are talking and discussing that this is more of a classic vibe version from Squier. So the quality has improved. The fact that it's a matching headstock, it elevates the look, elevates the design. You do have your Hello Kitty right here, your Squier logo with the little heart on top. You do have your vintage tuners. They do have the white tips. I really like that you have a design that complements the whole view of the guitar. You do have this red inlays that are matching the color of the bow on her head. This is a single humbucker. It only has a volume, so it's pretty simple, bare bone guitar. Nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy. You do have in the back your Hello Kitty logo right here in red. You have a compartment right here where your pots are located. Trugless Guitar opened this up and they show that you could do a modification to turn this into a split coil version if you would like to, even before upgrading your humbucker. Many people use this guitar to do a lot of modifications on it. So I don't know how the market is gonna see it in the future. Hopefully these guitars are not mass produced because we want less guitars so we can sell them down the road or keep it in the family for generations and so the price goes up. That's the whole idea of this guitar. So technically it is an investment. However, I'm gonna have fun with it. Probably my daughter this is gonna be her first guitar. So that's also something that I wanted to do for her. Now, we're gonna add the guitar strap. This one matches better with the original guitar. I don't know if it matches too well with this guitar. I know there was a web exclusive version of the strap. It was white that will match better. But it is what it is. It's not too bad. Dude, this thing sold out in a couple of days. So the fact that I still have a guitar, that I got some hoodies, that I have the strap, that I have the pedal, it's just fantastic. So I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna have fun with it, and we're struggling to put in a strap. Hold tight. By the way, that strap, once again, $100. Whoo-wee. All right. I think it looks pretty nice. What do you think? It's pretty nice. That's the unboxing for the guitar. I'm gonna place it on the stand for a couple seconds. I do wanna point out the back plate, it has the Squier logo, but this version has like something in it. I don't know if it's grease, I don't know what it is. Can you zoom in on that? Yeah, you see little stains on it? Let me do the reverse. Yeah, it's like, I don't know what it is. It's like grease on it. Or leftovers of lacquer. I don't know what it is, but it's just, let's try that. Yeah, in there. But yeah, the neck feels nice. It's a glossy neck. So, let me see, do I have pick somewhere? I have a pick in here. By the way, it's not even tuned, so I'm just testing it out. Another thing that is different from the previous one, this is a string through. So you're gonna put the strings from the back, pull it through the front. It's a hardtail piece, and yeah. All right, let's go straight to the pedal.